How can I activate my 9Now account?
Welcome to this quick and comprehensive tutorial on how to activate your 9Now account. 9Now is a video-on-demand, catch-up TV service from Australia's Channel 9. This video will guide you through the process, ensuring you can start streaming your favorite shows without any hitches.
Creating your account.
Before you can activate your 9Now account, you need to create one. Here's how. 1. Visit the 9Now website or app on your device. 2. Click on the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner. 3. Fill out the registration form with your personal details like email, password, and postcode. 4. Read and accept the terms and conditions, and then click on the Sign Up button. 5. Check your email for the verification message from 9Now and confirm your email address.
Activating your account.
Now that you've created your account, it's time to activate it. 1. Turn on your device that you want to use to watch 9Now and launch the 9Now app. 2. Navigate to the Sign In option in the app, enter your login details, and sign in to your account. 3. You should see an activation code displayed on your screen. 4. Go to the 9Now activation website on another device like your smartphone or computer. 5. Enter the activation code displayed on your device screen into the activation website and click Activate.
What to do if activation fails?
In case you experience issues during activation, here are some tips. 1. Double-check your activation code. Sometimes a mistake can occur when entering the code. 2. Refresh your screen or restart your device. Technical glitches can sometimes be solved by simply restarting your device or refreshing your screen. 3. Contact 9Now support. If all else fails, 9Now has a dedicated support team ready to assist you. That's it. You've successfully activated your 9Now account and you're all set to enjoy unlimited streaming of your favorite shows. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the 9Now customer service team. Enjoy your viewing.